What really happens when an option's strike price ends up stuck between the bid and ask? Let's break it down. Welcome. Every day, I break down personal finance questions asked on Stack Exchange, highlight the community's best answers, and sprinkle in some actionable takeaways. If you're into learning a little more about money each day, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's dig into today's question. Today we're exploring a common question. What happens when an option expires between the bid and ask? Here's the original question as it was posted to Stack Exchange. I'm going to scroll through it quickly so you can see the whole question, but feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry. After this, I'll walk you through the key points of the question so you get the big picture. So, in summary, they've sold a put option on XX stock that's expiring today and are trying to figure out if it's in the money. With the bid at $99.95 and the ask at $100.05, they're wondering if they'll end up owning 100 shares and need to pay $10,000. Here's the top-rated answer from the community on Stack Exchange. I'll scroll through it quickly so you can see the full answer. Feel free to pause the video if you want more time to read it. Don't worry, I'll highlight the key points of this answer in just a few moments. In this answer, it's explained that the last traded price is usually used for automatic exercise decisions at expiration, typically just before the market closes at 4 p.m. ET, although there are exceptions like SPX/AM expirations. Now, before we jump into the next part, if this video has been helpful so far, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe to the channel. We post new personal finance videos every day to help you make smarter money moves. Here's another answer that was shared in the Stack Exchange thread. Like before, I'm going to scroll through it quickly, so feel free to pause the video if you want to read it yourself. Otherwise, I'll highlight the main points of this answer in just a few seconds. One response points out that the OCC uses the last sale price during regular trading hours as the composite closing price. Options can be exercised if they're in the money before expiration. American-style options can be exercised until 5:30 p.m. EST, but brokerages might have earlier deadlines. All right, now that we've seen what the community had to say, here's our take on this question. If a put option is in the money at expiration, it gets automatically exercised. This means if the stock closes below $100, the seller might have to buy shares at that price. It's all about the last traded price before the market closes. So, if it's below $100, be ready for the possibility of buying those shares. So, in this video, we've covered how options automatically exercise if they're in the money at expiration, based on the last traded price before the market closes. If that price is below $100, the seller might need to buy shares at $100. Plus, American-style options have until 5:30 p.m. EST for exercise. Thanks for watching. Before you go, did you learn something new from this video? If so, be sure to drop a like on the video to let us know.